Hi, my name is Noor Aylan Alshamsi. I am from the Sharjah American International School, Sharjah branch in the UAE. This is my idea for the World Space Week from October 4th till October 10th. I'm going to be talking about the Sun and the planets that orbit it. Okay, this is the Sun and the planets that orbit it. The circular things that you see that are colored are the planets. The left huge thing is the Sun. The Sun is really hot and it's the main part of our universe. So we have 8 planets, but there's one that was a planet but it shrunk. So now it's not a planet. It's at the right upper corner, if you can see. Okay, I'm going to be telling you the order of the planets from 1 through 8. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now it's time to tell you the characteristics and fun facts about each planet. Take a look at our solar system. Here are they in a better look. We have the Sun, ignore the Moon, Earth, Mars, Venus, Uranus, Neptune, ignore Pluto, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mercury. Here's a picture of our Sun. The Sun, our star. The star of our solar system could hold more than 1 million Earths made of boiling hot gases. That's why it's hot. Supports our life on Earth. It's actually the energy source. And the temperature on the Sun is 5,538 degrees Celsius. This Sun is really, really, really hot. Here's a picture of Mercury. Planet Mercury. It's closest to the Sun, smallest planet in our solar system, terrestrial planet. It has lots of craters like the Moon. It's hot during the day, cold at night, and it has no atmosphere. 1 year in Mercury is 88 Earth days. Plus, it travels very fast. 1 day in Mercury is 1,407 Earth hours. Practically 58 Earth days. The temperature is 173 to 427 degrees Celsius. Plus, it has no moons. And fun fact, it's actually not the hottest planet. Just because it's really close to the Sun does not mean it's the hottest one. If you know greenhouse effect, you will understand what I mean. People think that it's the hottest, but I'm just briefing to you that it's not. This is a little picture of Venus. Planet Venus, and it's Earth's sister or twin. It's the second planet from the Sun. It's similar size to Earth. It's a terrestrial planet, rotates in opposite direction. That means it spins backwards, not like every planet. It's hot and deadly, lots of volcanoes. 1 year in Venus is 225 Earth days. 1 day in Venus is 5,832 Earth hours because it spins backwards. The temperature is 462 degrees Celsius, very hot, and has no moons. Fun fact, it's the hottest planet in our solar system because from the greenhouse effect. Here's Earth, obviously our planet. Planet Earth, which is our home. It's the third planet from the Sun, fifth largest planet. It's a terrestrial planet, supports life with air, water, and land, consists of oceans, continents, and atmosphere. 1 year is 365 Earth days. 1 day is 24 Earth hours. The temperature is to negative 87 to 57 degrees Celsius. And it has one moon. Fun fact, it's the only planet that has living things on it. This is Mars. Planet Mars, the red planet. Fourth planet from the Sun, smaller than the Earth. Terrestrial planet. Mars is also rocky, dusty, and dry with red iron and soil. Mars has polar ice caps like Earth. 1 year in Mars is 687 Earth days. 1 day in Mars is 24 Earth hours or 37 minutes. The temperature there is negative 14 to negative 5 degrees Celsius. And it has two moons that are called Phobos and Deimos. And fun fact, it has the largest volcano in the solar system. And another fun fact, it's the coldest terrestrial or inner planet because it's further away from the sun and the other inner planets are closer to the sun. So that's why it's cold like the outer planets. And now we have finished all of our inner planets and it's time to hop on to the outer planets. And if you don't know the differences, actually the inner planets are the most closest to the sun and they're more hotter, but Mars isn't. And the outer planets are more further to the sun and more colder from the inner planets. So that's the differences between the outer planets and the inner planets. So if you did not notice, this picture right here is actually Jupiter, and as you see the picture scrolling down, you're going to see the spot and it's really recognizable. It's actually the Great Red Spot. The Great Red Spot is actually the hurricane that happened in Jupiter it lasted more than 351 years. And that's really crazy. Planet Jupiter, the giant. Fifth planet from the Sun, largest planet in our solar system. It can hold 1,300 Earths. It's a gas planet which is made of gases, and the gases are windy clouds of ammonia and water. It has a red spot, which is a giant spinning storm. 1 year in Jupiter is 4,331 Earth days, which is 12 Earth years. 1 day in Jupiter is 9 Earth hours and 56 minutes. The temperature there is negative 148 degrees Celsius, which is very cold. And it has 49 moons, which is wrong. It actually has 67 moons. We don't know how much large ones, we don't know how many small ones, but we know the large ones are less than the small ones. This is a picture of Saturn. It has a ring on it. We're going to talk about that right now. Planet Saturn, the ringed planet. Sixth planet from the Sun, second largest planet but very light. It is a gas planet similar to Jupiter. It has 7 flat rings made of ice, rocks, and dust. 1 year in Saturn is 10,759 Earth days, wow, which is 29 Earth years. 1 day in Saturn is 10 Earth hours and 39 minutes, and the temperature there is negative 178 degrees Celsius, which is really cold, freezing. And it has 52 moons, and wrong, it actually has 62 moons, and the 52 moons, or actually 53, are named, so the other ones are actually not named, so the full number is 62. And fun fact, Saturn is still forming because it's not complete, not like every other planet. Here's a picture of Uranus, and fun fact, it's actually tilted to its side, and here's another picture of it tilted. Here's the picture where Uranus is tilted. You want to know why it's tilted? Well, keep on listening. Planet Uranus. It's the 7th planet from the Sun, 3rd largest planet. It's a gas planet. Its ice is similar to Neptune's. Its poles turn to the Sun. That means it spins on a different axis. I'm going to tell you why it's tilted. It's very cold and windy. It's actually not the coldest planet. 1 year in Uranus is 30,687 Earth days, which is 84 Earth years. 1 day in Uranus is 17 Earth hours and 15 minutes. And the temperature there is negative 216 degrees Celsius, which is very cold, colder than Saturn and Jupiter. And it has 27 moons. The largest are Oberon and Titania. And fun fact wise, Uranus is tilted 98 degrees to its side because it got knocked by a protoplanetary disk, which is a band material of moons that moons forward unlimitedly. So, yeah. We have come to our last outer planet, which is Neptune, and here is a picture of Neptune. Planet Neptune. It's the 8th planet from the Sun. 4th largest planet, can fit about 60 Earths inside. It's a gas planet and it's icy. It's the windiest planet in the solar system. 1 year in Neptune is 60,190 Earth days, which is 165 Earth years. 1 day in Neptune is 16 Earth hours and 7 minutes, and the temperature there is negative 214 degrees Celsius, which is very cold, and it has 13 moons, and the largest one is Triton. Fun fact, it's actually the coldest planet in our solar system, and it has a ring system, and it has 5 rings in total, but you can't see them. That's why people think Neptune does not have a ring system. Thank you for watching and listening my World Space Week project at SAIS, and I would like to give copyrights to Teachers Resources K-3 because I took all the information from them, so credits and copyrights to them. Thank you.